Alright my friends, maybe you are interested in investing in uranium stocks. There's one stock, it's called Anfield Energy Inc. It's located in the United States. It's one of the few uranium producers which are not in production but will get in production maybe next year. And this share was 0.08 euro cents to 0.06 euro cent, and on August 1st there was a reverse split on this stock, which means they split the stocks. So for 75 stocks usually you got one new stock. So the price went from 0.065 euro cent to 4.8 euro, which is a very high increase. So if you had 24,500 shares, now you just have 337. So I think they did the same thing with the Tesla stocks, but nobody is talking about this Anfield transformation, this reverse split. I checked yesterday and today all the YouTubers I know which are speaking about Anfield, and you can find nothing. But I think it's good to know that these guys just make a reverse split. I think it's bad, because when you are invested in cents, it's more easy to get up, because when it's 0.08 cents and maybe it's 0.2 cents in the future, you gain much more profit than you gain from 4.1 euro if it goes up. So what I read, they did this because Anfield did this because they wanted to get on the Nasdaq listing, which I totally understand. But still, I had no information about this, and I was a shareholder, I am a shareholder of Anfield, but still I had no notification about this. And there are three big uranium miners in the US. This is URANIUM Energy, Energy Fuels, and Anfield is number 3. URANIUM Energy and Energy Fuels, they are producing uranium, and Anfield is not. They have a mill, because there are only 3 large mills, uranium mills in the US, and Anfield is number 3. And if they get in production, I was thinking they shoot up, but with this reverse split, they fucked me a bit, because it's much harder to gain profit when the share price is already high. And in the cent segment, it's more easy. So but I was right, because I think those 3 uranium miners, they will shoot up in the future, because Trump is pro-uranium, and those 3 are the biggest uranium miners in the US, and there's a shortage of uranium worldwide. So these 3 stocks, in my opinion, will shoot up next year or in the near future. URANIUM Energy and Energy Fuels, they nearly doubled the price already in the last months. It's kind of good, and that Anfield made this decision, they proved me right that they are a very good share. But I hope that they will fall down a little bit to buy some shares more in the near future, because I think 4.8 to 5 euro is too much for this stock, because you cannot go from 0.0 to 5 euro just like in a split second. And I think it's now overvalued. Before it was undervalued, and now it's overvalued. But I'm not a financial expert. I just do my due diligence. And I was thinking, I'm gonna tell you, because nobody is talking about this crap at the moment. Different video, but you know, I'm smart. You not? No, joking. We're all smart. We're all the JOEX fanboys. Alright, bye!